What is up? What is up, YouTube? What is up, everyone? Hope everyone has had a great trading week and a good weekend so far. So in this video, we are going to go over a setup that happened on Bitcoin this week that went 1,700 pips. Crazy week, crazy week. So setup that we were looking at, right? First, what do we see here? What do you guys see in this area here? Well, first off, we have a high and a low, right? And what does this low do? We created a lower low, right? So we have bearish structure in play, bearish sentiment, excuse me. So since we're bearish, right, we want to be looking in supply areas to sell from, and vice versa. If you're bullish, you want to be looking in demand areas to buy from, right? So after we see this break of structure, we always have to refer back to our supply area. So there was this 4-hour supply area. You can see here, price made a low last week, I think it was. Yep, a low last week. And you can see right here, the start of a new week, there was actually a very good bullish setup to take us back up in to that 4-hour supply zone. So we look at the before picture here. We can go through my mindset of what I saw. So once again, right, from this high to this low here, right, we see a huge break of structure to the downside, right, breaking these lows here. So an aggressive push to the downside, and then we have that bearish ideology, right, that bearish sentiment, a bearish bias. So we look for our supply area, like here, vice versa, right? Break of structure, retest, supply area, break of structure, retest, supply area. You get that little move down, right? You guys get it. So break of structure to the downside, we want to find our supply zone, right? So waited for price to get back up in this area, and this was after. So once again, right, that supply zone as high as possible, right? The highest point possible, right? Sorry, I had to pause for a second, but we're back. So at the highest possible area, right? So we did have 1, 2, 3 touches, and normally I don't like setups like that, right? I took a position here at the first one and got out here, and then these other two I wasn't sure, and then it started to finally roll over to the downside. So very, very clean setup, a break of structure to the downside, highest supply zone, and 1,700 pips. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and also stick around for the next video that I'll be uploading today, back-to-back setups on GBP USD. So catch you guys in the next one, and peace out.